G'day tappers, welcome to Tap Dance Down Under. We have some beginner steps for you today, so it's beginner tap, 4 steps, so let's have a look. I'll just tilt the camera down. Alright, let's have a look at what we're doing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's take our time. Tap, step, heel, beat. Tap, step, heel, beat. Right foot, then bring the left foot up. 3, 4. Try those. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step. Heel, beat, touch, beat, beat, beat. Heel, beat, touch, beat, beat, beat. Try that again. And heel, beat, touch, beat, beat, beat. Heel, beat, touch, beat, beat, beat. Put those two together. We have tap, step, heel, beat. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now, going on to trebles, we need 4 of these. Hop, 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 hop. Remember, a treble is a hop and a shuffle done together. So 4 of those. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to finish off, something nice and basic. Flat, knock, beat, beat. A nice little V shape. Flat, knock, beat. So that last section, 4 treble beats and flat knock, beat, beat done twice. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2. Put it all together. You ready? A 5, a 6, a 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2. Treble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do it one more time together, and I will do it on the left leg. So we're dancing mirror fashion, so you don't have to turn around. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2. Treble. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flat and flat. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us.